In today's video, I have brought yet another learn to sew pattern for you. If you follow me for a little bit, you might know that I am doing learn to sew patterns on my channel, and this is pattern number 8, McCall 7122. I will share with you my experience of sewing this pattern, and also I will show you the dress I made using this pattern, and I will also model it for you. So let's begin. So the first thing I want to say about this pattern is it is absolutely correctly rated as level 1. It is a very easy beginner friendly pattern. I made view I made view B, and I absolutely adore the floral print that this model is wearing, and also I made it in the short sleeve version. This pattern has only 4 pattern pieces: front, back, sleeve and neckband, and the neckband comes out perfect. It is a 1 hour sew. Whether you are a very new beginner sewist or you have been sewing for a while, I highly recommend this pattern. You will not be disappointed because the pattern is so versatile. You can create a tunic top, you can create a midi length dress, or you can create this beautiful maxi dress using this one pattern. And you know what? This pattern cover is little bit misleading because it doesn't show a picture of leggings. Yes, you also get leggings included in this pattern. I have not sewn the leggings yet, but I'm very excited because it is a basic, easy legging pattern. I believe it's only one pattern piece, and sometimes you just want to sew up a tunic and leggings, and maybe you want to sew up leggings because you have a special fabric or a special color that you want to buy, you want to create your leggings to match your tunic top. So you can do that using this pattern. So now let me show you the dress I made using it. So this is the dress I made. As you can see, it is short sleeve and there is a seam that runs in the back, and in a moment I will put it on so you can see how it looks on me. The fabric is some kind of a cotton jersey, and so it's very comfortable to wear. I found it for in Walmart. It was 2 yards for $4. So it was just enough for this dress. And I really like green color, and I find it hard to find green color fabrics. So I was very happy when I found this one. So, like I always encourage you guys, please keep checking your Walmart and you might be able to score some good deals on fabric. When you are a beginner, you don't want to spend too much money on fabric just to do an experiment. It might turn out good, it might not. So, if you buy like $4 or $5 worth of fabric and you sew a dress, you don't mind, even if it doesn't turn out the greatest. You can wear it as a night shirt. However, trust me, this pattern is a keeper. It's a great, great pattern, and you will not be disappointed. I will be creating this dress in several fabrics. Um, in my last video, I had shown a bodycon dress that I made in 3 fabrics. and I have tons left over. So I'm thinking of doing color blocking with those remnants and sewing myself some beautiful dresses for upcoming spring and summer season. Also, if you follow a channel called Simply Delilah, she has done a really awesome review. I will put a link to her video and her channel name in the description, and you can check that one out also. So let me put it on and show you how it looks on me. Hi friends, so this is how the dress looks on me. It's super comfortable and I love the length, and I think weather has warmed up enough in Michigan, USA, so I can wear it to office in this week. So I'm planning to do that. Every time I wear a me make to my office, I get very excited. People ask me, "Oh, did you make that dress?" or "That dress is so pretty." And then I tell them, "Yeah, I made it." So it's a very exciting moment for me. So I want to say that if you are a beginner sewist and you want some foolproof dresses that you can sew that are almost guaranteed success, then this is one of those dresses. So, also, I want to request that if you like my content and you've been following me for a little bit, please do subscribe to my channel. I really need your support to grow. I will be posting a lot of videos on easy learn to sew beginner friendly dresses, tops, pants, skirts, etc. so that we can all help each other out. So, going back to the dress, I want to say one more thing is that don't be afraid to sew up knit dresses. It's not hard, especially if you choose a cotton jersey type fabric. You will not have any difficult time, I can assure you. And also, I this dress can be sewn entirely on a serger. However, I did not sew it like that. I first sew on my sewing machine using a zigzag stitch, and then I take it to my serger and I serge. But some people like to do it only on the serger, and you can easily do that. So that's one option of sewing up this dress. Okay friends, so this is all for today for this video. I will share yet another learn to sew pattern very soon on my channel. So please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Have a great evening. Bye bye.